Hello, and welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you a completely free audio-to-text transcription tool that can convert your audio recordings into written text in just a few clicks. Check the link in the description. If you are a student recording lectures, a podcaster creating show notes, a journalist transcribing interviews, a business owner documenting meetings, a content creator repurposing videos into blog posts, or simply someone who wants to convert speech into text quickly, this tool could save you a significant amount of time and money. And in a minute, we will show you exactly why. The tool is available on AIFreeForever.com. It allows you to upload audio files and automatically convert spoken words into text. The tool supports common audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and FLAC files, making it useful for a wide range of transcription tasks. Now compare that to what many people are paying for. Professional transcription services often charge per minute of audio. Some AI transcription platforms require monthly subscriptions, usage limits, or paid credits before you can process larger files. For people who regularly transcribe interviews, meetings, podcasts, or educational content, those costs can add up quickly throughout the year. On AI Free Forever, you can start transcribing audio immediately without creating an account. No trial, no payment, and no subscription. So the real question is, does it actually work? Let us test it. We are starting from the AI Free Forever homepage. If you cannot find the tool right away, simply use the search feature and search for Transcribe Audio to Text. You can also browse through the AI Tools section and open it directly from there. Once the tool loads, you will see a simple and clean interface. At the top of the page, there is an upload area where you can drag and drop your audio file or click to upload it manually. The tool currently supports MP3, WAV, and FLAC audio files. It can handle recordings ranging from 1 second up to 5 minutes in length, with a maximum file size of 25 megabytes. Before uploading our file, let us take a look at the language settings. Right below the upload area, there is a language detection option. By default, it is set to auto-detect, which allows the AI to identify the language automatically. This is useful when you are working with different languages or multilingual content. For our test, we are going to upload a short audio recording containing a spoken explanation about digital marketing. We click Upload Audio File and select the recording from our computer. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, the tool is ready to begin processing. We simply click the transcription button and allow the AI to analyze the audio. After a short wait, the transcription appears on the screen. Let us compare the generated text with the original recording. The AI successfully identifies the spoken words, preserves sentence structure, and converts the audio into readable text within seconds. This can be extremely useful for content creators. Instead of manually typing everything from a video or podcast episode, you can quickly generate a transcript and then use that text for blog articles, captions, summaries, newsletters, or social media content. Now let us test another example. This time we upload a short interview recording between two people. Again, we upload the audio file, leave language detection enabled, and start the transcription process. A few moments later, the text appears. The AI captures the conversation accurately and produces a transcript that is much faster than manual transcription. This is exactly the kind of workflow that can save hours of repetitive work every week. A couple of things worth knowing before you start. The quality of the transcription depends heavily on the quality of the original recording. Clear audio with minimal background noise will generally produce the most accurate results. It is also important to remember that accents, overlapping speakers, poor microphone quality, or heavy background noise may occasionally reduce accuracy. If that happens, using a cleaner recording will usually improve the final transcription. For best results, try to use recordings with clear speech and minimal interruptions. And that is really the value here. You can convert lectures, meetings, interviews, podcasts, voice notes, and other recordings into text without paying for expensive transcription services or subscriptions. If you eventually need advanced enterprise features, you can always upgrade to a premium platform later. But for most users, this free tool provides everything needed for everyday transcription tasks. So that is the whole workflow. Go to AIFreeForever.com, open the Transcribe audio-to-text tool, upload your audio file, select your language settings, start the transcription process, and copy the generated text. No account, no payment, no watermark, and no complicated setup. And while you're on the site, make sure to explore the other free tools as well. There is a free GPT-5 AI chatbot, a free AI image generator, a free text-to-speech tool, image enhancement tools, and hundreds of additional AI resources available completely free. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next one. We are publishing free AI tutorials every week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.